Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Prim, Rajasurang Wongkrasaemongkol. I am passionate in developing artificial intelligence for the better life, for the better world, because we know that we have technologies, we have sustainability, where we can combine into one to create a sustainable planet that we live in. We know that better life starts up today, and here is how we begin. First, in all the sustainable development goals, there are endless potential that we can contribute to our world. We can drive with passion. We can make a small thing a great difference in our society. We can impact lives, stories, memories, and everything. So I will start off with a elderly pair project where I made two sustainable development goals of 3, 10, 17 to include a good health and well-being according with the reduce inequality and promote a partnership for all goals. It's a great thing, and then we will see about the evolution of how could we make sustainable and technologies coming into one. And as we know, that in 2021 is a place of the COVID-19 pandemic. An AI mask, where we use AI to detect different masks and raise the public awareness, is a great thing because we know that everyone is able to know that this is a reduce the infection rate or not. And then in 2021, I also contribute to the climate change action in NASA Space App Challenge to leverage the marine debris to classify different trash and know a different way to manage them to perfectly have a beautiful world we live in with no trash. And also to enhance literacy rate in SDG 4 through Thai text-to-speech open source by Tackleton 2. This means that we can have people read out loud with their audio textbook really easily. And now I would love to introduce you to the elderly care with positive messages and good well-being without leaving anyone behind in our place. And that is amazing, and we will make a better world together. First, starting off with a happy morning AI. We know that a good day starts off with a happy morning. And a motivation. We know that everyone have to be motivated. The elderly are living alone, and if we have some motivation for them would be a good thing. So we have an AI chatbot to motivate and send positive messages for them every day. So they know that they are really motivated. They are getting to it, and it's going to be better for their life. And also, they are motivated, they are happy now. So the next thing we have to do is to keep them healthy. To keep them healthy and a very good well-being. So we have a stroke detection. A stroke to have pre-screening and monitoring the stroke symptom of using the AI post-net detection. This means that you can exercise safely. So like you can raise your arm up and then you know different joints and bones and you can monitoring the safetyness of us. And on the place over here, we have a quick video of the demo. Can you click it in? On the picture of the phone. No, like, there's a video. Can you go back, please? Yeah. On the phone page, there's a click or the video. Yeah. Okay, so on this side, this means that you can exercise using your hand up, and there are different joints and connection of the bone. This means that we use a post-net, and you can have a healthy and easily exercise. That is really amazing. So we can upgrade quality of life in all spheres and dimensions, including the healthcare to monitoring different symptoms of everyone, including the elderly, for the education to make it inclusive, more accessible education for everyone. And that is a great thing because we will make a better life. And in terms of financial, if you're financially independent, means that you are independent from everyone. So we are helping people financially through tech and data analysis to be a great deal. And that is really interesting. Let's see about how could we integrate technologies of Industry 4.0 into our application. First, starting off with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a great thing because it isn't an eye for everyone. It could detect, it could make machine learns. And then we have artificial intelligence, we have cloud computing. So put artificial intelligence, our model collecting data through cloud, and then we have a data, we have a big data analysis to analyze different data. And then we have a cybersecurity to make sure that you are really secure in all terms. First, starting off with what artificial intelligence technologies do we actually use? In terms of chatbot, natural language processing comes into play because if you know and understand human languages, that would be a great thing for you to develop this thing. And have a GAN, or Generative Adversarial Network. You know, the Spider-Man is not with us today, but if he could be with us, he could talk with us. This means that we can use GAN and generating interesting videos, and it would be amazing. After that, we could have different technologies like text-to-speech or to be able to communicate orally. Next slide, please. And then, you can use everything or technologies into coming to one, like text to image classification, or postnet or real-time postnet detection on also the post landmark, where you can detect different joints and different bones into it. And this is a QR code where you can actually come to and scan it. And it would work as an AI chatbot of happy morning, saying happy things into your life. And that would be a great thing to do. And next of us, we will dive deep down into different technologies. Or for example, chatbots or NLP, for example. How do you actually make the machine understand languages? So we can use something like BERT or bidirectional encoder on transformer, or which developed by Google, and different question answering models like ChatGPT. This uses the reinforcement learning models where it trains on the supervised learning first on the GPT 3.5, and then we move on to the next stage. We're giving a reward model, and then on the next stage, we combine the reward models with their supervised model to actually have a great question answering model. In this case, to chat as a human being. And that is a great thing to do. And next, we'll move on to GAN. We use GAN to generate different faces. So you have image, and then you can generate a video of them. So this will help the elderly not to remember their family and friends, will reduce their dementia. GAN is really simple. We have a generator and a discriminator. The generator generate image, and a discriminator identify whether this is a true or this is our fake one. We use a facial flow. You can have a 3D geometric flow of different faces, and then you combine with another part where you have different images, and then we would make a really throughless flow of the faces. And that is amazing, right? Of course, we will also combine different technologies like text to image or a latent diffusion model, where you can diffuse images, and then we can generate an AI image generator for great images, good thing that can come up to your life in wonderful places, and good images after all. And that's a great thing, right? And then come on, we're gonna go to the next one of a postnet. Postnet is one of the interesting one because we can identify different joints, different bones, different muscles of the people, so we can know about the stroke scale of the elderly, like NIS stroke scale for monitoring symptoms, recording data set, and also we know the facial palsy, or you can lift your hand up, seeing whether there's a drift or there's no drift for 10 seconds. And then we use different models for the postnet. We know that we can do anything to make artificial intelligence for the better lives. We can build something strong, and I know that together we can make this world a better place, because we know that a better place always starts from today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for this interesting and impressive talk in this happy morning regarding AI for better life.